be looking at how to install Farmart. Farmart is a single or multi-vendor Laravel eCommerce system. After downloading the script, I go straight to my cPanel. Let me go to my cPanel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In my cPanel, I go to files. Under my files, I see my file manager. That's where I go to. I click on file manager. For script installation or customization, and also for your script installation and customization, you can use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script or install your script. So next, I go to the subdomain I want to use for these testing purposes. If I have domain, I'm using a domain. I'm going to public HTML. Here is it, but I'm using the subdomain for these testing purposes. So let me go to the subdomain I'll be using. Here is the subdomain I will be using for this testing purpose. I click on it. I've already uploaded my script, so let me extract it. Extract files. For your theme installation or customization, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So next, I click on close. Now I open the extracted file. I select all, then right click to move to the root folder. I'm moving to the root folder. Move files. Now I click on up one level. I've successfully uploaded my script to the root folder. Next, let me copy the name of my subdomain. Open a new tab. Place it there. Then click on enter. For your script installation and customization, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me. Next, I click on let's go. Next, I scroll down. All are in order. Then I click on configure environment. Now I'm going to fill this place, database name, username. I'm going to fill them. So I've now created my database. So let me go back to my cPanel. This time around, I'm going to my database. So here is it, databases. On databases, I go to my SQL databases. For your script installation and or customization, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me. So let me name my database as this. So I click on create database. So next, I click on go back. I have successfully created my database. So after creating my database, what next for me is to create my user. So let me name my user as this. So next, I click on create user. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So after that, I click on go back. I have successfully added my user to my database. I've successfully created my user. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. So I've selected this. This one has been selected automatically. So I click on add. I give all privileges, then scroll down to make changes. For your script installation and customization, or script installation or customization, please use the engage me link in the description to engage me to help you install your script or customize your script. Next, I copy my username, that's database username. I go back to my subdomain, so I fill in my database name, database username. Yes, this is my database name. Then I click on install. So next, I'm going to create an account. My first name, let's assume, is admin. My last name, let's assume, is admin. Username, admin. Email, let's assume, is admin@example.com. Then next, I click on create. So next, I fill this place, that's my Vato details. After filling it, then I click on activate license. Installation finished. Application has been successfully installed. So let's click on go to admin dashboard. Let me just close this. Yes, I will finish it later. I have successfully installed my script to my server, or I have successfully deployed it to my server. So for your script installation, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install your script. Also for your script customization, use the engagement link. Also use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.